In order for earthwork to be performed safely, please take note of the following safety points. Inspect the work site before the work. Check for loose or falling rocks, cracks, moisture, or changes in spring conditions. Also, check for the presence of underground objects such as gas pipes and electric cables. Remove debris that may fall and install retaining walls and shorings. Rainwater and groundwater are drained at the workplace that causes the collapse. Do not dig as an undermining. Do not work near unattended machines. Make sure to assign a guide when work near a machine. Do not work using machines without a guide. Make sure there is a guide when working with machines. Avoid entering the blind spots of a construction machinery. Here is a question for you. The clothing that this worker is wearing is not safe. Why is it not safe? Do not wear a towel around your neck. Do not hang items that may become caught in machinery around your neck or waist, such as towels, and choose clothing that will not get caught when performing work. Do not place heavy items on slopes, as there is a risk of collapse. Barricades will be installed on the top of a slope and shoulders to prevent falls. When working on a slope, wear a personal fall arrest system, fall prevention harness. Keep away from places that have the potential for a land subsidence or a landslide. If you hear any abnormal noise from a pump or piping, report it to an operation leader without approaching them. Be careful not to get caught in the vicinity of a rotating machine, such as agitators. When walking on reinforcing bars, be careful not to trip, fall, or clothes being caught. Be careful of falling from the concrete pouring scaffold. In places where the height is 2 meters or higher, use a personal fall arrest system, fall prevention harness. Wear protective equipment such as goggles and gloves to prevent ready mixed concrete from splashing and coming into contact with the skin or eyes. When using concrete vibrators, etc., get the prescribed education. A qualified operation chief is needed to perform these tasks. In order to perform these tasks, operations, and maneuvers, you must take required courses and training stipulated in safety and health laws and ordinances.